Hello guys, and welcome to another post for Ethereum technical analysis. And so what I have here is the chart for Ethereum versus Bitcoin. This is the one-day candles from Poloniex. And so what I can see here is that the price of Ethereum versus Bitcoin has been bouncing up and down in between these two moving averages. The red line is the 50-day moving average, and the blue line is the 20-day moving average. So what I can see here is, in general, the price is following this downtrend channel that I draw here. And then it bounces between the moving averages. So when it touched, it was the 0.09, it touched not only this support level, this is a strong support level, but it also there's the 50-day moving average also acted as a support, and then it bounced up until it touched the top of the channel, which was also touching with this 20-day moving average, which acted as a resistance as well. So that's what we have right now. The price is going down, and it's right now touching again the moving average, which should act as a support. So I'm expecting a little bit of bounce up, but we can see in the 20-day moving average is starting to curve down, and like a lot actually. So that's not good. That's indicating that the price is going to continue to go down. So what I expect from now for the next few days, it's that probably the price will go up a little bit, maybe to the top of this channel, which will be again probably touching the moving average, which will act as a resistance again. I think it could go up a little bit until it meets the top of the channel and the moving average, and then it'll be going down again. So at this point, I think it's going to touch this uptrend channel again, and I think it's going to break it down to at least this support line again. So I'm going to draw the arrows here. So yeah, for the short term, maybe it can go up here, and then I think it's going to go down, probably breaking this uptrend channel and going down to this support level again. That's what I think is going to happen in the short term, and then we can see from there, because honestly it's looking very weak. If we look at the highs, every time they're lower, so we get lower highs, and at the same time we get lower lows. It's not like in Bitcoin, for example. I have the chart for Bitcoin here. Bitcoin is going, the highs are going lower, so we have lower highs, but at the same time we have higher lows, so it's going up in the lows, which is forming a triangle, actually, symmetric triangle, which it's indicating that because we come from an uptrend, when you get a symmetric triangle like this, it usually indicates that it's going to continue the same trend, because this is an uptrend, then it's supposed to continue the same uptrend. If it was coming from a bear trend, then it would probably continue down. But yeah, at least in Bitcoin we have higher lows, which is not happening with Ethereum. It's actually forming a bear triangle because you see the highs are going lower every time, and it touched the same level of support twice already, here when it consolidated, and then here when it went down. And now if we go down again and touch again the same support level, it means that this is forming a bear triangle, so it will most likely break going down. But for now, I'm not gonna draw any more arrows here. Let's see what happens in the next few days, because you cannot predict, like, you know, for the next month or two. I prefer to take it day by day, but for now it seems like If it touches again this moving average, it's going to bounce down and it will probably go down to this support level. That's what I think for now. And that was all for this quick update. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.